Hello, today is Monday the 15th of February 2010 and I'm Nikki giving you the daily outlook from UFXBank. The dollar posted small gains against most of the majors after retail sales data came out 0.5% better than the expected 0.4%, but eased part of the gains after the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index came out 73.7 worse than the expected 74.8. Wall Street closed mixed with Nasdaq advancing 0.28% and the Dow Jones lost minus 0.44%. Crude oil fell and closed at $74.2 a barrel. Gold, almost unchanged, closed at $1,092.8 an ounce. Today, US banks will be closed in observance of President's Day. The euro fell against the dollar, extending the decline. The pair posted a new 8-month low at 1.3528, but then managed to rise and hold above 1.36. The euro is still under pressure across the board as fiscal problems continue to weigh in Europe. The German GDP came out at 0% worse than the expected 0.1%. Holding the euro below the 1.3840 level probably continued the downtrend. Overall, euro-US dollar traded with the low of 1.3530 and with a high of 1.3694. Today, the Italian trade balance index is expected at minus 0.75 billion versus minus 0.79 billion as was previously recorded. The British pound closed almost unchanged after losing ground and trying to break below the lows. If the British pound will sustain a support level of 1.5520, a rebound back to 1.58 levels could be seen. Overall, GBP USD traded with a low of 1.5578 and with a high of 1.5738. No important economic data is expected today. The dollar gained against the Japanese yen and back to trading near the 90 area. The GDP came out at 1.1% better than expected 1%. If it will break the 89.80, which we consider as a strong support level, the pair might drop to 89 in the short term. The Canadian dollar closed almost unchanged after it weakened against the dollar as China raised reserve requirements, discouraging demand for currencies related to economic growth. Breaking below 1.0480 levels might extend gains in the Canadian dollar. Overall, USD CAD traded with a low of 1.0487 and with a high of 1.0577. No important data is expected today. That's it for today, and be sure to visit us at UFXBank.com for simple, safe and secure trading.